Hi guys, welcome to Let's Gossip. Guys, Musa went live on TikTok. Musa is at Mercedes-Benz. Uti, I'm here to come and service my car, but now I've got a problem. Musa uthi ufuna ukuthengela umfazi wakhe number 5 a Mercedes-Benz, but the problem is ama-finances wakhe akahlangani. Uthi to be honest enough, ama-finances akahlangani, but umfazi lo, my number 5, should have a Mercedes-Benz. Manje, I don't know ukuthi ngiyenze njani. So, mina, I'm like, why Musa doesn't ask uMakhumalo athenge leyo Mercedes-Benz? Why doesn't he ask uMakhumalo? Because Makhumalo doesn't refuse to do anything for Musa. But now I think times are tough because now uMakhumalo doesn't approve of number 5. So maybe she was gonna help Musa ukuthi athenge leyo Mercedes-Benz. But now maybe Musa is scared to say, can you please help me with money? I want to buy Mercedes-Benz for number 5. Yo, guys, I don't even know whether Musa uyadlala or he's just doing a joke. Mathi ufuna ukuthenga i-Mercedes-Benz but akanamali at this point in time. Uthi ama-finances wakhe akahlangani. So at this point in time, he can't afford ukuthi athenge lo mfazi wakhe number 5 Mercedes-Benz. So I'm like, yo, it's not easy, guys. It's too much of responsibility. I think it is too much of a responsibility. You have to make sure that all these wives are happy. And if you do something to the other one is going to say, why don't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? Because you bought your wives, all of them Mercedes-Benzes at some point. So I think he is forced ukuthi amthengele, but at this point in time, uthi kunzima kancane. So guys, you see, Makhumalo was gonna buy this car. That one I know. As long as Musa are happy, Makhumalo is happy. Makhumalo was gonna give Musa the money, maybe not even telling anybody that I've given Musa money. Then Musa was gonna go and do ta-da with the ribbons as if he's the one who bought the car, knowing very well that it's not him, it's financial minister of finances, Makhumalo. But now, I don't think Makhumalo can do that. I don't think so. I don't think so. The way back to Telega Kono Makhumalo, when coming to number 5, I don't think she can do that nonsense. Yeah, that is Istanbul. It's not easy to be in Istanbul, guys. It's not easy. Yo, guys, please subscribe. Please like. Let's meet on the other video. Bye.